Okay, check. Test, test. Okay, check. Test, test. Okay, everything's good. We just gotta hook up the chats again. Oh man, where'd it go? Did I not pop out a Rumble chat? Okay, what the fuck? That just disappeared on me. Pop out, shit. Oh, what the fuck? My browser is confused because I had a chat earlier. Alright, let's just Rumble with you. There we go. And then we just gotta reconnect them. Wait, oh, I've got 2 chat windows. Oh, that was a Rumble chat also. Where's my YouTube chat? There we go. Here they are. And let's raise up our streaming bandwidth a little. Also, I guess first thing I should do is just announce we're live. Let's see. Oh, we need new links, don't we? Fuck your analytics. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, wait a second, I'm doing it wrong. We gotta find the last one. There it is. Alright, let me just see what these wise guys do. Yep. back to work, eh? All right, yeah, let's fucking go. So, music off. Test the game. So what do we do this morning? we got NPCs with not only will they aggro, they will attack us and beat the living hell out of us. And look at that health bar. And we got a game over screen, and we can load game, reload, or go back to the title screen. I'm just gonna reload. The NPC is gonna fuck off now that they've killed me, and we just respawn in the same place for now. That will be a continue from last save. Can they get me here? They can't get me up here. They can just do that. No, leave me alone. No, not my skeleton. Oh, and it's not aggro anymore. Now let's see if she walks in the right direction next time. I bet she will. So when they de-aggro, they just resume their previous path. Well, come on, do something. Let's just shoot that one. Oh, and I'm dead. Hey, she's still attacking me. What the hell? They're not supposed to do that. And oh look, she just goes right back to where she was. And oh hey, she's still aggroed. What the fuck? Anyway, yeah, that's what we got so far. So what's on our list now? Generic menus, yeah, that's what we need. Oh, I guess I forgot to commit this. Okay, game over, menu. All right, and I gotta remember to do some video editing later for that audio thing. But I don't think I'll be doing that on stream. Well, although I could. I guess I don't see why I couldn't, right? So we gotta copy this thing. And we gotta make some Lua functions for it. So all right, so we're just gonna do here. Let's just close some of that. Save as UI. What are we gonna call it? Menu. Let's call it Lua menu, or generic menu. How about gen menu? Generic menu. Definable in Lua. Options. Defined in Lua. Yeah, okay. 1 semicolon, we're gonna have a function here called what do we call it? Had a name for, oh yeah, UI open menu. And then we're just gonna have what do we call it? We'll just say menu name. Lua menu, Lua, yeah, Lua menu, name function, whatever. We'll figure it out. Let's see. We don't need this. This can just be like a static function. Right, because we're gonna open it from here. So let's see. Okay, where's game over? So we're gonna call this UI open menu game over, just like that. Then we're gonna put that in here, and there's our on-close function, and then we'll have this, and we gotta have this over in, gotta have that in our make file and our game.h. Excuse me. And no, not game, it's UI.h. Put all my UIs in here, and yeah, it's kind of messy, but whatever. Does the job. And we just need that. And then what? We gotta, I guess first we might as well do what do you call it? We should run the Lua function. So let's go find some other UI that's got something similar to that. Let's see. It's not talk. Is it hotbar or no, context menu? We've got button labels for that, so that's yeah, that's pretty good. And the keyboard controls too, and all that. We'll copy that. And I think we could just say 0 for that. Oh, we got to put this in our UI.h. Let's see. Then we'll want to copy a bunch of this stuff later. What about the Lua stuff though? We got to copy some of that from, let's see, what do we could copy it from here, or preferably something a little simpler like maybe the hotbar. Yeah, this is what we want to do. So we're going to run a Lua function. Yeah. And then it's going to return it's going to return a table. That's going to return a title and a table with all the menu options. And I guess the functions that they run. Something like that. So let's just take that and that. And do we have a count there for button labels? No. Well, we'll figure something out. Anyway, we're gonna do I guess for now we'll just run the function. And what do we need? What kind of information does it need? Probably nothing, right? And it's just going to return a table and this other thing. And that's probably a bad example. Let's see. Yeah, table and a heading. So let's see. How do we get the string? Heading string. That'll be a Lua. Let's see. We're gonna copy. I think I've got this function here. Maybe it's text copy. Yeah. Oh, we've already got that down here. Okay, so we're gonna copy to heading from gonna do a Lua to string -2, I guess. And so we gotta go define this function in Lua. Let's see. So that's gonna be in let's just put it in our main Lua folder for now. Not there. Put it in here. So just function game over, just like this. Then we'll say I return game over. And then in the table with the menu options, which will be local options equals let's see, maybe it'll just be strings, right? So it'll be, no, we need Lua functions. We need functions for these strings to run, also for these menu options to run. So let's just go back to that game over. Oh no, I've already got that. We started with it, right? So it's right here. So we need reload, load game, and quit to title. So we'll just grab these. And then we'll have quit to title and let's see. So reload and reload. These will have to be C functions that we expose to Lua. But for now, we'll just print them when we'll just print the name of the function on the screen instead of actually running anything. And then we'll figure it out. So it's gonna be, let's see, like, maybe we should have names like something like this, like game quit to title, and what was this one? Load game. Load game. And game load last save. That's actually got to be, well, it's going to be open load game menu or something. I don't know, but let's just do that for now. And then we can just do that and let's just say, well, no, yeah, let's say test here for now, and that's just so we know we got the right thing. Let's just delete some of that. And that, and let's just copy some stuff from over here. We just copy that shit over, and we'll figure that out in a bit. Let's see. And that's probably not right. Yeah, anyway, we got to do something different here. So that's that, and then we got to get the, let's see. We got to do a Lua, let's see, how do we do this? Yeah, so we've got a table on top of the stack because it's the second argument, second return value, so that should work fine. We don't need that. There's that. We just got 2 results to pop when we're done. And if it doesn't work, I guess yeah, what do we do if it doesn't work? Wait, so that goes there, I guess. Yeah, so we got our 2 arguments there. Then we take them away after that, and then we can just open our modal here. And we can, since we always open it through this function, we could do our initialization code right after this. Instead of having instead of the usual sloppy thing that I do to detect if we're, opening something for the first time. All right, so we got that, we got that. Oh, we don't need, wait, we're not gonna need that. Let's see. Menu, GUI button. I think we want that here. And probably over here too. So we want to use get element, I think. um, Wait a second. Yeah, so this is gonna step through the like this, and this, the options. Then we just gotta grab the this and that. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Also these could actually be, instead of the text, we could actually put the functions right in here. That'd be kind of nice, I guess. But maybe for now we'll just copy the text over. So let's see. So we're just gonna do a get element string. We're gonna use this. Yeah. We're just gonna copy that over to button labels. Button labels I, and let's say static int button labels count equals 0. Then we could do that and that, and we'll say button commands also. I think that's all we got to do. And I want to test this somewhere also. So let's just change something like where's How about the title screen? No, how about the context menu? Just, yeah, where's that other thing? Let's just do that as a test. So that's, yeah, that'll be a way to open our game over menu. And I don't know, is it gonna, yeah, that's gonna close the, oh wait, that's gonna be a problem, isn't it? um, there. So we gotta close the context menu, then open the game over menu. All right, let's see if that actually works. Really doubt it. Yeah. Let's see, that's 118. Oh, we probably need this. No, we got that. Oh, it's an RLEXT, isn't it? No, maybe not. Yeah, I think it is. Except I don't, not there. Wait a second. Where is this stupid function? Oh, it's probably in game.h, right? Util, no, it's util.h. Wait, what was the problem there? Oh, I just forgot to put a closing parentheses. I guess that's fine then. What's this? 113. Oh, gotta copy that. That. Okay. And what's this about close? Okay, we'll just call that close then. And oh wait, oh, what was it over here? Oh yeah, that's right. We don't need. Wait, do we need that there? Guess we do. Yeah, so in this case, it's a little bit more sophisticated. We just got to put in, you just got to say on close modal, right? What is it warning about there? 112. Return with a value. Oh, that can return a value. Now we got to do it that way. Okay, so that, yep, there it is. Whoops, we got 2 reloads. Okay, let's fix that. Yes, that's just a mistake. Hey, sup, squishy banana? What are we doing here? We don't want that. Where did I copy this from? That's got to be a mistake. Wait, what's count? Oh, that's what it is. Yeah. Okay, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Then, so instead of count, we got to use what was it? Like button count. Button labels count. Let's just say button count. And just like that. That's just for the wraparound when we're using the keyboard to go through the menu. Guess we don't need that, and we just need button commands IDX. Oh, hey, Rumble's working now. Oh, was it dead this afternoon? It went down on me this morning, like, I don't know, about 11 o'clock. And then, like, I don't know, 10 minutes later, maybe it just, everything came back. And it turns out I didn't have to do anything, just fucking wait for it. Okay, so now we got our Lua-based game over menu. So there it's saying the commands there. So how do we, so if we make these, if we just make these actual commands or functions to call, how would we do that? Let's see. Let's just say something like, it could actually be like that, to run a function by that name. So we do like function game load last save. And then we just say print. Or we could just say something right in here, like function print test load game end. And same thing for quit. No, that's not, I don't think that's going to get a proper string. Let's just see. So context menu, click anything, we get this, do that. It's not actually getting a command there. But we can say how do we do this? Looking at the wrong thing here. Let's just put that over there. So we would basically do this again. Oh, also we don't need that. So we would just do this and something kind of like that. Kitty, kitty. Where's that come from? Up here. Right. So yeah, I don't think there's any, I don't know how we would save a Lua function in C. So I'm thinking we just got to get that again. So let's see. Let's just save, so we'll just save this name. Say menu name. That's going to be a pointer. Save for later. Assumption, it won't go away or change. Probably just string literal. String literal would be just anything in quotes in C. So we do this, we do we don't need the heading. We don't need the button count either. No, we just need what is current index or index? So we're not going to loop over anything. We're just going to push index +1, get a table, which is going to be just the button label and the callback function. And we're just going to run that function. How do we do that though? Let's close this stuff down too. Don't think we need that. Oh, we're using that for testing, so we'll just keep that. Done with that. So how do we run a function? So there's Lua do string, do file, get a function, then, okay, so we gotta get something onto the stack, and then, if it doesn't take any arguments, then we don't need to worry about anything. Then we just gotta do this error checking thing. And I guess we want to make sure it's a function. So we're basically going to do this whole thing. So we might want to refactor that. So let's see. And let's see, we don't need that stuff. So we got that. Then we gotta copy that and get the second item in that table or array, and then do that. Okay, I think that's it. So most of this, this whole section here can just be, it's in common with this. And a lot of this is also in common with these. Maybe. So is this gonna work? I don't know. Let's fuck around and find out. Yep, here goes nothing. Oof. What did I screw up? Oh yeah, menu name. Yep, it knows that. What about number of arguments? Wait a second. Wait, so what is this for? You have to push the arguments. So then to run this, you have to push the arguments on the stack before calling this. And then you can pop them, well then it's gonna consume them and then return this many on the stack. So these numbers are gonna be, I think they're gonna be 0 and 0. So we're just gonna We're just gonna do that. What else have I screwed up? 108. Oh, yeah. Yeah, function returning void. Oh, this, yeah. Guess we just comment this stuff out. It'll make sense if we're factoring it out. What the hell? Did I forget something in my header file or something? Wait, this is all in gen menu. That looks, oh, wait a second. That's supposed to go with that. Okay, oh, okay. I screwed up my brackets somewhere. That goes with that. Oh, we don't need. Oh yeah, this is all indented. That's how confusing. Let's just clean those up. And is that supposed to pop 1 or 2? Well, probably doesn't matter. Come on. And what's this? Oh, function name, right. Wait, where is it? One 126. Oh, okay. We'll just say set up a Lua L traceback. Oh, we'll just can we just do that? We'll just do where's that Lua thing? I think it's here. Maybe it's that one. Yeah, that's it. No, that wasn't right. Trace back. Lua L. Trace back. Just, that's good. Oh, you were trying to stream at 11, Squishy. Yeah, that's when it happened. Good recovery though, on their part. Wasn't totally fucked for too long, but yeah, sometimes in the past it's been like the chat goes down, the website front end goes down, but the streams keep going. But in this case, everything. The streams stopped working too. So it was completely down. All right, so let's see. So what's going on here? Unprotected error, attempt to call nil value. We might not need. That might be the problem right there. Nope. And why is it doing the panic thing? Like we're not even getting to the trace back or anything. Well, this is all pretty confusing, pretty hard to follow, right? So we could say, let's see. So get table. I guess we don't need that. Oh, hey, look at that. It said test load game. Whoops. So something is working here, but wait, what did I do here? So I think that's wrong. All right, so we're doing the right-click menu just to get to this. Then we can do something like that. Test load game. Test load game. So it's not getting the right thing. Test game, load last save, load game. Oh, that might be just something I screwed up. Oh yeah, put the same thing here. Quit, test, load. Okay, so that's gonna be right. So test, load last save, load, quit. Okay, so that works. So let's see. So I guess really the way to handle this is just like that. Then if we wanted to have, we could have whole functions in here like this. Maybe like that. How about like that? Yeah, that's a decent way to do it, and we don't need that. Get rid of that. Now in practice, we're gonna be defining most of these functions in C. So so they're just gonna look like this, and we won't have anything up above here. Let's just try to do a little bit of cleaning up over here. So we're just gonna take that away again. Let's see. Test run Lua menu command. All right, then for this, let's just say 0, 0. Just gonna simplify this down. Then we'll just keep that stuff, right? Yeah, I guess we'll keep that stuff. Test it one more time. Load game, quit, reload. Okay. And I think if we go and run the game and get an NPC to kill us, yeah, game over test, then it's using the Lua one. Okay, cool. So now we just need, we're gonna need some callback. We're gonna need some Lua functions done in C to handle that. So I guess I'll just put them here for now. So let's see, for a Lua function defined in C, it's pretty simple, right? Okay, so that does work. Then let's just look at one of these C API functions like this. Yeah, we don't need to do any of that. It just needs to take a Lua parameter and return an integer. Yeah. And that's the number of return. That's the number of results that it returns. Right, so what does this do exactly? It makes a table, and it returns a table with this array of animation names. Right. So all we got to do is have that argument signature and return 0. So let's see, Lua wrappers for menu commands. So this is going to be let's see, what do we want to call these? Where's that thing? Put that over there. So we want load last save. Return 0. And just tidy that up a little. And so we're going to go, let's see. Going to do a load game and quit to title. Okay, so that one we're gonna get from main menu, or just menu. Whereas quit to title screen. So we're just gonna do that. Let's see. That might be one little complication here. So anything, well, let's see, it's gonna close. We can just do close modal if we want to. Yeah, if it's gonna close the current menu, the game over menu, then we just do that. Okay, so I guess I think that'll work. And load game would be let's just go to game over and copy these guys. That's load game. And that one is just a test thing for now. And that should all, yeah, that looks good. It doesn't need any variables or anything. And yeah. And oh yeah, all of these should close the current menu. Then we just have to add them down here. So it's going to be script, whatever, and then the Lua version of it. Okay, so that should do it, and we just need to put them here also. So let's see, that's just an example. Would look something like that. Just an example. Well, here. Those just examples, and then that here we just gotta have what do we call those? Load last save, load game. We gotta get rid of that too. Load game and quit to title. And we just gotta fix our C code. Implicit declaration of open modal. Right, because I put that down in the scripting section. Okay, let's move this over to the UI function file. We'll just put those here. And that means we gotta declare them over here. Sort of like, well, just like that. So this knows that, so the compiler sees this and it sees that defined up there, and then that tells it to go look for it defined in some other module, like here, like wherever the hell it is. Right, so it's there. Oh, maybe actually, you know where we should probably put this stuff in? How about in gen menu? Yeah, that would actually make a lot of sense. Yep. All right. What have I screwed up in here? Oh, that. Oh, what the? I just wanted to do this. Okay, right click to open that, and then reload. Load game, load game. All right, cool. Let's actually try. Well, here, we'll go into the game, right click, do that to get into our. So this should take us to the title screen. Not a function. So that's game quit to title, and what do we got over? Game quit to title. And did I screw it up here? Oh yeah, I got it. That's the problem. Whoops. Okay, so new game. do this. Quit to title. That works. New game. Reload. Oh, we're stuck in the game over menu. And why is that? It's because that okay to close thing. That's why. All right, so get out of that. I think we're done with that for now. Done with that too. Let's go back to our game over menu. So in this we got to put okay to close equals true. So we got to do that in case it wants to close. And then wait, we don't want that. Do we? Wait, what does that do? Does that? No, so that's not what I want. I just want to put that equals, change that back to false. And we also want that when we open a menu, we want it set to false also. Just to be sure. Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, so new game, right click, bring this up, back to title screen, new game, do this again, reload. Okay, it looks like we reloaded. Let's test that again, load game, escape. Oh, that could be a problem, no. So if you go to load a game, but then you escape out of it, you should stay in that menu. So that's kind of awkward. Kind of awkward. It's just kind of like not right. Let's see. So that should be yeah, we just do that. That's all there is to it. Then if you actually load a game, it should close all the modals. Close all the menus, whatever. So let's just see if that actually works. So go load game, and I'm like, nope. Yeah, now I actually load the game. No, I'm gonna press escape. No, I really want to load a game. I'm loading a game. There. Now it's closed all the UIs. And then that's main menu. Back to title screen. New game. Whoops. Can I get an NPC to kill me? Nah, because they can't reach me. We're gonna fix that soon. Okay, so let's just test this with an actual... by actually getting killed. Come on, kill me, NPCs. Okay, reload. Oh, they're gonna kill me again. Oh, because the one who killed me, the one who kills you the one who kills you goes off aggro, but if you've got a bunch of them aggroed on you, then only the one who delivers the killing blow goes off aggro. Okay, that's better. Okay, let's get killed again. Quit to title screen. Now we're dead. New game. We're still dead. What if I change weapons? No, we're stuck in this. We're stuck in this dead animation. But we can still. Our collision shape is still like that, so we can still just do that. Oh wait, but we're already dead. We're already dead. Okay. For some reason that didn't work, I guess. Or no, it's because if you quit, yeah, if you quit and come back, it doesn't actually start a new game the right way. So yeah, we gotta fix that. But this is a good start though. So let's see. So we got that. We got the modal text. Yeah. I think, is that right? Yeah, we've got the this, yeah, we got this function here. I don't know, stuff could probably go, I guess it could go horribly wrong if you open one of these menus from inside another. We would have to add a stack to keep track of that stuff if we do that. We don't need all these button commands. Let's just get rid of that. I guess we don't need, that was the only init we needed. All right. Let's just, okay. This is going to be like kind of the definitive edition of keyboard navigation in a menu. So we're just going to keep that. So, okay, so we got our modal text. Yeah, that's, we got our wrapper function. We got our on close. We've got, we don't have that yet, but I haven't even tried the keyboard nav. Let's just test it. Nope. Let me try that one more time. Okay, must have really screwed something up in there. Okay, so we're done with this. This is like deprecated. We don't need it anymore. Remove, place some other menus. We can't replace the title menu though, because that's different. Let's see, submenus. We need a, yeah, we need a stack, I guess. Let's see, is there a, no, we don't need that. And there's no, so we're gonna need an unclosable option in our generic menu. So for example, if we get killed, we can just this is our Lua menu. We can just close it, right? No, we can't. Oh, because we don't have that up, because that's based on the game over menu. So we've actually got to get a third parameter. Like that. So let's see. So that's going to be -3. That's going to be -2, and this last one is going to be let's see. Okay to close. We're gonna need another variable for that. Let's see, it's gonna be, let's say, closable equals true, I guess. So this may be set. So this gets set down below here. Okay to close. But if it's closable, or okay to close. So if it's, so we're gonna say we're gonna have this last parameter here, which is gonna be either it's gonna be false by default, but it'll be true if we want it to be unclosable. So then we're gonna get that last parameter here. Let's see, Lua 2 Boolean or something, or 2 Boolean or check Boolean. I don't know. Let's see. Check bool 2 bool, is that? Okay, I guess it's that. Lua 2 Boolean, whoops, L comma -1. So that's going to be, so closable equals the opposite of that. Returns, let's see, heading, options table, and non-closable. Let me say unclosable. Default false. Okay. So if that's true, then we should be able to just do, let's see. We should not be able to close that. We got an error. What's wrong? So we're calling that function. It's returning three things, I guess. Attempt to index a Boolean value. Oh, is it this? Wait a second. Oh, actually, we should be, instead of using negative numbers for return values, we should use positive numbers. That's 3, that's 1, 3, and then this will be 2, and that's 2. Oh, and that's going to be 3. Any chance that's going to work? Quit to title screen. Segmentation fault, huh? It's just trying to hit escape, but it's unclosable. But if we go over here and change that to false, comment that out. Then we can just close it. And if we get killed, come on, kill me. Then we can just escape or close out of it. Yeah, escape to close out, and just be dead. Okay. And I noticed another thing we got wrong with this. We gotta handle closing in this way also. So we gotta do that. I should have copied that from a different menu, like maybe this one. Let's see. What did I just do there? I don't know. Thought I clicked somewhere. I shouldn't have. All right, anyway, it's a GUI panel. Okay, bad example. Right, this is a window box. Let's find another example. Main menu, maybe? Yeah, like this. So if all this stuff, let's just copy that pattern. If all that stuff, then do this stuff, right? I think we just do that. And should be just like if you hit escape. And you should be able to just combine it like that. As long as they're both void. So we can do that, and we try that again, and do that. Yep, okay, that works too now. So if we get killed, can just close that and be dead. Now that should be a hold animation, not a loop. We'll have to fix that. But yeah, we're gonna need some kind of animation tree, finite state machine, whatever. No big deal. So, all right. So I think we're just about done. And let's just make these, leave more space there. Same thing here. All right. Nestable, generic menus, yeah. All right. Let's see. What am I gonna do for the next hour? Maybe I'll do some artwork. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so that's all sorted out. So let's do let's see, context menu. No, not that. Okay, so we can just do this and then take out our, oh, there we go. And so for this context menu, I guess I want to try to combine this with the generic menu. It's basically the same thing, except we got to have all this stuff in it too. So so we want to have context menu open, yeah. So that's gonna have so maybe we'll just integrate this into our generic menu. So we'll have open menu and open context menu. So open menu, you give it a Lua function. Open context menu, you would have to give it you'd probably give it a function and a position. So then you do this to do this to get the coordinates of the target thing, and then we'll have to send this information along to Lua, and we could have different context menu functions, I guess. But probably only a few of them, because they're going to be more complicated. All right, so let's see. So incorporate context menu. Replace main menu. menu with this. That's gonna go last, and we got that. And I think we got keyboard navigation. And let's make that unclosable again. And get rid of that. Let's just test that keyboard navigation. Okay, no, that doesn't do anything now. Just get killed. Oof. So this keyboard navigation is busted. What is the problem here? Oh, what happened to my, did I fuck up the context menu by mistake? No, so that's, we got that there. What about over here? Let's see. I gotta get rid of those. Oh yeah, okay, here's the problem. Maybe. So we gotta do that. Then we don't need that. So that's how we handle our key. That's our keyboard handling right there. And where do we do enter? Oh yeah, there's our enter pressed and all that stuff. Direction, button count. There's direction. Yeah, come here. Come on. Wah. Yep. Is it dinner time already? All right. Let's just see if that works. Oh, we gotta get killed to test this. Kind of a dumb menu to start with for our testing, but whatever. Okay, so button count is wrong. Oh, because I declared it here. That's the root of my problems there. We're shadowing the main variable. Okay, so keyboard navigation. Up and down arrows, WASD. Alright, load game, escape, quit the title, quit the, Looks like we screwed that up, because I added the turn-based button. Well, let's just fix that then. Let's see, we're done with here for now. Go to the title screen. Where's our button count? It's hard coded. Let's see, test. Hard coded. Let's just put that up here. I'd like to set up the title screen to use the Lua type menu, but maybe if we had some kind of an option to just put the menu over here instead of in a box. Yeah, I bet we can do that. Anyway, is that right? Yeah, that's better. Oh, we don't have keyboard nav in the main menu because I was thinking we're gonna use this Lua generic thing. All right, so maybe we can use that for the title menu also. Let's see, use for main menu, title menu. So for the context menu, we're gonna need something like open context menu. That's gonna be a menu name and position, mouse position. All right. Some of that'll come later. So let's see, we could do a new game function. Let's just put that for that. Let's go to do if needed. Let's see. And we got anything about menus in here? Yeah. Pretty much. And we've kind of done that. I'm just trying to follow that, and it's like, let's put a dot there. It's kind of what I want. Lua utility for drop downs. Yeah, I guess that'll be coming later. What else? Quick save slots for Ojai Mark 1776. Mr. Quick Save. Quick Save. See, at least he's honest about it, you know? Let's see. Context menu. Yeah, we're gonna need a Lua function for that. We'll integrate it into we'll incorporate it into our generic menu. Yep. Okay. Anything else about menus? We could start using this for the God mode also pretty soon. So yeah, keyboard nav is basically done. Okay, that still compiles. Let's commit it. Okay, so that's generic, Lua defined, generic menu, Lua defined, used for game over. Testing with game over. Is there anything in here? Nope. Good. All right. I should go feed the cat. I'll be right back. All right. Let's take a break from. Let's see. So just pick me up on the microphone over here. Yeah. So let's see. Let's take a break from coding. Yeah, I can do this stuff a little later. So we're gonna put this up to here. And this up. Yeah, actually that'll be first. So let's work on the Lich. So let's see. There's another thing. I think Dita mentioned this, that the Lich should have a phylactery. Let's whoops, turn off. I thought I turned off the. Oh yeah, I did turn off BRB. My Rumble stream's just delayed a little as usual, as it does. Okay, nobody's fucking watching on YouTube as usual. Even when Rumble was down this morning, nobody was watching me on YouTube. Everybody just fucking hates YouTube now. I mean, I guess it's all right, but got a couple people seeing this over on Twitter. Cool. Oh, Squishy and somebody else did. I don't know. It's not very, doesn't really tell you much, does it? And anybody? Yeah, things are getting a little slow on mines today. People are kind of like, fuck this place. Good reason. Oh, maybe I'll go bring up my little rant from mines. What'd I do with it? Yeah, here we go. So this guy on here, Sledge the Outcast, he's like a he's where is he? He's down here somewhere. But he made this huge ass video right here. It's on Rumble. It's kind of like he's trying to do like Sam Hyde's video, Dear Elon, right? Except it's like twice as long. I mean, yeah. It's like an hour and a half or something, but just watch it at 1.5 speed. then it'll sound like Razor Fist. And anyway, apparently Atman actually saw that and he was posting a bunch of stuff like where is he? This is the guy, this is the CEO of Mides. The Pope of this dump. Where's that freaking post? Oh, there it is. Yeah, so this is what he posted. Has he been on here today? A little bit. Boomer. Yeah, so he comes on last night and he's just posting a bunch of fucking shit. Not that. This, it, no, not that. Here, yeah. Rumble. He's talking about Rumble. He's trying to say like oh, Rumble's a closed source and they're losing tens of $millions. They're subsidized by Tether and Peter Thiel and market speculation. Yeah, this is how they afford all the top creators. They have no clear privacy commitment. Yeah, like whatever, man. Like mine says they don't store your IP addresses. Um, but if you go into your settings and there's a thing that shows you your IP, every IP address you've used. So obviously they do. So how can you really believe them when they say they've got your back and they've got, you know, all this third party tracking shit? They're just as bad as any other site. They're just dishonest about it. Bill Bill is dishonest about it. And he's like, "We're open source. We're open source. You gotta, like, give us your money. Give your money to open source, not to Rumble." So yeah. Anyway, I was that's the context. So yeah, here's my little rant here. Open source has been corporatized and wokeified for 2 decades. It's a virtue signaling term, and it's a virtue signaling term, and it's a big turnoff to most people seeking alternatives in this decade. Maybe, you used to have a lot of like earthy, crunchy types going like, "Oh, I want to use only open source software, because I want to do what's best for the world and make the world a better place and all that stuff." It's like, nah, nah, nah. This is the people who are sick of fucking Google and Facebook running everything, and wokeness and communism and all that stuff. um you know some people think open source is this panacea, like we can just have this community of like genius coders, all like, you know everybody pitching in a little bit to create this masterpiece that does everything we want. um um and you do see some stuff like that, like Blender. But it's not, Blender is actually made by a team of uh some people who really know what they're doing, C programmers, and some good Python coders, who are probably also C coders. um People who really know their shit. And that's how, and they've been working on it since like the 90s, early 2000s maybe. And they haven't ruined it somehow. But your average open source community is a bunch of faggy assholes who won't let us have nice things because they have a compulsion to protest impotently against the world's, to rage against the machine, to rage against the injustices of the world, which are their own damn fault mostly. And these aren't, and those your open source developers who aren't woke activists still tend to be like inexperienced volunteers. Like they're thinking like, well, I can't really make money doing this, so I'm gonna like volunteer to help out on something, and they get in over their head in these open source projects, and they just fuck things up. And and a lot of times, people like white guys who try to do that, they'll be like, "Hey, you don't really know what you're doing. Could you please leave?" But all you gotta do is say like, "Oh, I'm a trans person of color," and or something like that. Yeah. You need an oppression point. You need enough oppression points. Then they'll say, "Oh, okay, no problem. We'll make you community manager." Um, so you get this mix of like woke assholes and inexperienced people. And then you get the same thing going on in the corporate world, because where you get these people, that's where they get their experience to get the corporate jobs. And now you want to get these corporate programming jobs, you got to go and like, you show them all the open source shit you did on GitHub. So yeah, like Linux is gonna go to shit. I mean, if this keeps up with what they're doing, it's gonna go down the tubes. They're getting all these Rust people in there. They're um I guess the top guys are Linus and all them are on board with it. So, they're gonna lose a lot of people who are just like not having it. Don't mix all these different new languages in here. Just use C. Those people who just want to keep it all pure C, they're gonna leave. And then you're gonna get new people taking over who think they're hot shit, and they're gonna fuck everything up. And so, in a few years, Linux is gonna start going to shit just like it did 20 years ago. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, we don't need this. Also, like, we don't need open source per se. We need like I was thinking about this, like Android is open source. And Android has this shit like what were they talking about? The Android System Safety Core. It fucking scans your images for like nudity and shit. and and probably a lot more. It's probably like NSA shit, you know? Um the fact that they kind of snuck this in and and it's it's pretty creepy. The fact that they just kind of snuck this in, slid it in behind the scenes without permission or notification, um, that tells you they can't be trusted. So, fucking Android is open source, and they do this shit. Um, it's just too complicated for open source to matter. And I would love to not have to use fucking smartphones at all. Um, we don't need open source. We need open protocols for communications. Just like we have open file formats like, PNG and plain text files and shit. That stuff's, you can use any program, any hardware device you want to deal with that stuff. The old analog phones, you could use any phone. You didn't have to, way back in the day, you were only allowed to use an AT&T phone. But then they opened things up and you could use any phone you want. And they just had to follow the rules, the electrical protocols. Like, it was simple. You just have to have this, 600 ohms on this, and this is the voltage, that kind of stuff. This volume level, whatever. And we've lost that. Now you want to talk to people, you got to install like 10 different apps to talk to all the different people you might want to talk to. We got to get away from that. We got to go back to open thing, like streaming. The streaming itself is all RTMP basically. That's like a 20, 25, 30-year-old standard. You can use OBS, a simple screen recorder, whatever else there is. You can use any of those things. You could probably go directly from FFmpeg. I'm pretty sure you can actually. Yeah. So you can just run a command line to just broadcast your screen to your Rumble stream URL, or like I'm streaming to Rumble and YouTube right now. That could be going to BitChute, Odyssey, Twitch if I really wanted to, Kick, whatever. It's all standard. you know, if we need something like that for chat and something like that for, well, I mean, we've got Fediverse and shit like that. But oh shit, I didn't mean to do. Oh, whatever. Let's just close it. Let's get back to work. Is Rumble still fucking up? Yeah. My stream skipped back like 10 or 15 minutes. Oh, Rumble. So, how many people we got on here? 2, 1, 2, whatever. We got nobody on YouTube as usual. Alright, let's work on some fucking Lich King stuff. Let's see, the crown, we still gotta put some jewels in it, and I don't know, probably, I think I might just take out the what do I call it? The velvet. I might just take that out, or maybe, or make it bigger. I don't know. But I suppose it shouldn't really be red for a skeleton because that makes you think blood, and it's like, nah, this guy hasn't bled in like 1,000 years. We need to get him some glowing red eyes too. But that's we gotta add some more game code before we can do that. Let's see. High poly junk. What's in here? Oh yeah, that stuff. All right, so that's a good place to let's put that all in rest position. Let's just start sketching out some stuff. Actually, pose position. Yeah. We could just turn those off, and let's just start sketching out some capes and stuff. So Shift C, put our cursor down there. Let's see. We gotta make our cape. Start with a plane, I guess. Let's go to edit mode though. Keep our origin down there. Let's put this at 0, 0. Let's see. Oh, wait, can I just edit that? No, I guess I gotta do this. Oh, it's under edit. It's under edit. Edit now? Oh, transform is just turned off. So let's just put that to 0. And we can add a mirror modifier. With clipping. What's going on there? Oh, snap. Let's just use this. Put that down there. Maybe it goes up there like that. Just gonna get it in rough place and then sculpt it. Kind of like that, maybe. And I guess it should be up. Well, let's see. So cape could be up around his shoulders, or it could just be like just kind of around his neck and fastened right up here. Maybe we just want to do that. What do we want? What do we want to do? Let's, well, yeah, like a traditional, typical vampire cape or any kind of a cape. Traditionally, it's going to go over your arms and fasten down here under your neck. It's just a simple garment to, you know, you can, doesn't have sleeves or anything to fuck with. You just, it's just to keep the rain off you and keep you warm. If you need to, you just wrap it around you. But for a skeleton, it might be kind of cool to have his arms sticking out a little more. But nah, I think I'm gonna make it more traditional. So we'll just bring that over like that, and let's extend this up to here. Then we're going to sculpt it from here. Kind of like that, I guess. Yeah. And then this part up here, well, we'll just sculpt it. Yeah, let's. So let's see, HV, well, cape, HV. So let's take it into sculpt mode and din topo. Guess 150 is fine. And oh, we got to put our mirroring on. Let's see. Let's apply that mirror mod. And then we can sculpt mode, yeah. So din topo back on. What's this about colors, UVs, and other attributes? What the? What's causing this? Oh, this stuff. Is it the UV map or is it the other shit? Can we take this off? Yeah. Doesn't like, it's probably the UV map, isn't it? Oh. Oh, can we not get rid of that? It's none of that stuff. Do we have to go into object mode maybe? Can we get rid of that UV map? Yeah, maybe that's it. So back to sculpt mode. Oh, and then we're out automatically in Din Topo. Cool. Okay, so that's what we got to do to get into sculpt mode, or Din Topo, without clicking that stupid button every time. And we got to do, let's do X mirror also. And let's add some triangles. Well, that's a bit much. Let's just do, I don't know, 50. Even that is probably overkill, but that's okay. All right, so let's just we can use this for our, yeah, we're gonna have a cape for our Dracula type characters too. All right, that's seems a little overkill. Let's try to pull some of this stuff in. Okay, this let's just yank some of that stuff in there too. Then we'll have the lapels can kind of flare out toward the front, but back here we got to pull them in. And we got to pull them down a lot too. Okay, we'll smooth that stuff out a little later. Yeah, he doesn't have much of a neck. And this part here, we're going to want to pull that right down like that, I guess. No, that maybe. Now we got to reform this a little. And that's got to come way back. Okay, kind of up there like that. Nope. Nope. There. I'll just smooth that out a little. All right, we're getting there. Nope. Nope. I don't know. Close enough for now. The angular look is kind of cool, but not really what I'm going for. And I guess it doesn't have to be that wide either. You know, it should be quite a bit narrower. So maybe we can just do like inflate with maximum strength, wide radius. Just whoa, what the fuck was that? All right, let's try this then. Okay, except that's let's see, we're still in din topo, yeah. So let's see, what about smoothing? Let's maximum strength. So maybe we can use a combination of smoothing and that to kind of push things around. Okay, now it's kind of facing forward, so it's screwing up our normal vectors. Okay, let's just go way out, and then we can do that. All right. Then we'll just hit it with a bit of this to re-topo, or the din topo it, really. And it should not be so far forward either. Like it can wrap around like that, but we don't normally want it to. We want it back here more. I guess it should be kind of streaming back a little bit more. Maybe only when he's moving, I don't know. What's going on over there? Oh, we got some desymmetry. Let's try there. That'll fix it. All right. So turn that off. We can get a better look at it. Yeah, it is what it is, right? It's just a sketch. Just gonna save that. What else can we do? There's another article of clothing that we could have, which is a robe, maybe with a hood. That would be kind of cool. Wait, we have we have something like that for our necromancer type character. Or yeah, I guess he's already kind of a lich too, right? Um, is that in here or something? No, I think it's a different. I think it's a completely different character, isn't it? Um, or is it or is it in here somewhere? Shit, I don't know. Oh, it's the one that's got the. It's a different model that's got the robe baked into the low poly model. That's right. Let me just pull that up. Um, I think it's this one. Yeah. So, obviously that's not, it's not quite right. But that must be the high poly part. And that's what's baked into the body. Yep. And we're missing some textures, I guess. And what is this? Skin HP something or other. Let's just turn that off. Yeah. So where's the, isn't there a skull or something? Maybe it's baked into this. Let's see. Oh, we gotta do that to see it. Re. And what? And he's got the low poly vampire teeth. Yeah, so we've come a ways since this. Yeah, he doesn't have any feet either. But yeah, we could definitely copy this robe into there. Um, Something like that. So robe from the old necromancer. Yeah. Hmm. All right. Anyway, I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with it now. Let's just go back here and let's just sketch in a few other things like rings and shit. So how do we do that? So, something like right about there. I gotta turn that back on. Actually, if we want to get this centered like right in just the right place, then we'll go over to this and select one of these bones. Okay, middle finger, ring finger. Then we just say Shift S, selection to cursor. What the fuck? No. No. Not like that. Shift S, cursor to active or selected. There we go. Right in the middle of the bone. That's all I want. So then we just go back to object mode. Put this in rest position. And let's see. let's just, well, let's see, a ring would be a torus. How we gonna, I'm thinking about how we're gonna align it with the bone. We don't really want it. We just want it aligned in here for reference. Anyway, let's see. This is gonna be like, I don't know, maybe 10 segments and 10, I don't know. That's probably too much. What do we need? Like 8, 6. Maybe 9. And then we can just scale that down. Let's go to edit mode. Scale it down like that. And really way down like that almost. Then I guess we gotta thicken it. I don't know. Just go like that. Just go like that for now, and then maybe we will well, so let's see. For this model, I guess maybe for now we'll just have it built in as like an extra mesh included on this model. See, so that's gonna be call it ring 1, and instead of here we're gonna move it to rig, and it's not gonna be attached to anything yet. Let's just call it ring 1, ring 1, no, ring 1 test. There. And we'll give it some colors, like let's see, no, not here, here, no, here. And it's gonna need a material also. I don't know, let's say wait, what am I doing? Material. Let's say gem, ruby. Just pick kind of a bright red color and make it kind of metallic, I guess. And not too rough. Of course, that should be a gemstone on it and not the ring itself, but whatever. It's just a test. So anyway, I don't know. That's it for today though. So time to wrap it up. So thanks for hanging out. If anybody yeah, Squishy, thanks for hanging out. And we'll do it again tomorrow. Same thing, hopefully. Alright, peace out. Oh wait, we gotta raid someone. That's part of the point of doing this later segment. Yeah, we gotta raid someone. Who's on? Is Rumble fucking dead again? And I don't know how to raid people on YouTube yet. Let's see. What's going on here? Yeah, let's see. Coast is on YouTube. Rumble is having a real one. Let's see. Yeah, alright. Rumble's dead. Alright.